Hello, my name is José, and today I'm going to be explaining you some math problems with my partner Guillermo, who is later coming. My problem says y equals 1/4 times x squared minus 2x plus 15. The first step, as you can see, is multiply this, and this will give us 1/4 x squared minus 1/2 x plus 15 fourths over 4. To get the x, I use, in these types of quadratic problems, I use quadratic formula, which says minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. In this case, we put the b, which is 1/2, as you can see. This will be positive because minus times minus, it's positive. Plus minus 1/2, negative 1/2 to square times 4 here, as you can see, times 1/4 times 15 fourths, because it is stated in the formula, over 2, as you can see, a 1/4. As you can see, here are the answers, but when we multiply all what is inside of the square root, we get a negative number. So that means that we don't have an x, because we cannot have negative roots, negative square roots, so this has no zero. To get our y-intercept, we just simply look at this formula. We see the number that doesn't have a variable, in this case is 15 over 4. This is our y-intercept. As you can see here, to put it in a graph, we have to turn it into decimal points. So our decimal points is 3.75. Here is 1, 2, and 3, and this is more or less 7.5. So this is our graph. This is an even graph, because when we have an even degree, both go the same way, and since the leading coefficient from the degree is positive, both go up. So here is like the little explanation, and this is all for my problem. Now Guillermo is coming. Now, if you can see, this is my whole process. Hope you have understood it, and do not forget to leave your questions in the comments. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Guillermo La Fuente, and I'm going to explain this problem. Fx equals x cubed minus 2x squared. First of all, we can see it has a positive leading coefficient, that is a 1, and another degree, that is 3. Then we have to factorize. We have in common an x cubed, so we put it here. Then x minus 2, and we can see if we plug in 2, it will be this 0, so it multiplies and it gets a 0. Then in here we plug in and it's another 0, so it will be this, the roots, the zeros. And in the graph we put all the zeros here. There is 0, 0, and 2, 0. We check again the zeros. It has a multiplicity of 2. There is an even degree, so it bounces. In here it has a multiplicity of 1, so it crosses. We are going to start down in the left, because here we have an odd degree, as I say, and a positive in coefficient. So we start, and then it bounces 0,0, then it goes here, and
Correct.
then it crosses at 2, and it's all in up. So it will be all. Thank you.
It was the wicked and wild wind blew down the doors to let me in. Shattered windows and the sound of drums. People couldn't believe what I